The health benefits and uses of peanut oil, also known as groundnut oil or arachis oil. 1. There are a great range of oils that can be used for cooking. Peanut oil is one of the healthier vegetable oils and has some wonderful health benefits. 2. There are 3 main types of this: refined peanut oil, cold-pressed peanut oil, and gourmet peanut oil. 3. The healthiest variety to purchase is cold-pressed peanut oil. Peanuts are slowly crushed to release their oil in a low-heat environment, which makes it have more nutrition. 4. Gourmet peanut oil is also unrefined, but is roasted to create a deeper, richer flavour used for its strong nutty flavour in stir-fries. 5. The oil is an excellent source of vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant reduces the risk of heart disease and protects the body from free radical damage. 6. This also helps to protect your body against cataracts as you get older and improves brain function. 7. Studies have also shown that those who consume peanut oil have reduced insulin sensitivity. This allows the body to process sugars and carbohydrates, keeping your blood sugars from getting too high. 8. On the downside, peanut oil contains a quantity of omega-6 fatty acids, which may cause inflammation in the body when the oil has been cooked. We therefore recommend using this oil raw as part of a salad dressing or flavouring. 9. Studies have shown that people who switch to this oil from regular vegetable oil have improved overall cholesterol levels. People also lost weight using this method. 10. Peanut oil is excellent for deep frying as it does not absorb the flavours of foods that are being cooked, allowing for reuse. 11. It has also been used in some cultures as a skin remedy. This can be applied directly to the skin and massaged to reduce dryness. 12. Peanut oil is also added to ointments and creams for the rectum to reduce constipation and stimulate bowel movements. 13. It was also demonstrated to be a source of fuel for the diesel engine at the 1900 Paris exhibition. This was one of the earliest demos of biodiesel technology. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.